Running an e-commerce business can feel overwhelming. You have got the product to sell, customer to reach, and marketing campaigns to manage. Managing all of this manually can be stressful and time consuming. That's where GoHighLevel comes in. It's built to help e-commerce entrepreneurs streamline with their business, saving time and grow faster without juggling a bunch of different tools. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and check the link in the description for the free trial and the special deals. By using the official link, you can get the 14 days free trial, and in the description of this video, you will get a link that is for the 30 days extended link. So use that link for the 30 days free trial. So how does GoHighLevel actually help e-commerce entrepreneurs? First, it's all in one. Instead of using separate platform for email, SMS, funnels, or client management, GoHighLevel combines everything in one place. This saves money and reduces the headache of managing multiple tools. You can track leads, send campaign, and automate the follow-up all from one dashboard. Automation is another major benefit. With GoHighLevel, you can set up workflow that send the email or SMS message based on customer action. For example, if someone abandoned their cart, GoHighLevel can automatically send a reminder with a discount or incentive to complete the purchase. This kind of automated follow-up helps to increase the conversions without extra effort from you. The platform also helps with customer relationship management, and you can see all your interactions with a customer, track the purchase, and even segment your audience based on behavior. This makes it easier to personalize marketing and give your customer a better experience, which often leads to higher sales and repeat purchase. Another advantage is funnels and landing pages. GoHighLevel allows you to create high converting pages to showcase the product, capturing leads and guide visitors toward the making a purchase. It's easy to set up and you don't need the coding skills or a separate page builder. Everything is integrated, which saves a lot of time for busy e-commerce entrepreneurs. Finally, the reporting and the analytics, this give you clear insight into what's working and what's not. You can see which campaigns are driving sales and which leads are converting and where improvements are needed. So this data-driven approach helps you to make a smarter decision and grow your business faster. So in short, GoHighLevel gives e-commerce entrepreneurs the tool to automate marketing, manage customer, and build sales funnel all in one platform. It saves time, reduces the stress, and help you to focus on scaling your business instead of getting stuck in a repetitive task. If you want to try GoHighLevel and want to see how it can help your e-commerce business, check the link in the description or the pinned comment for the free trial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.